nagkaroon ng project with her, na makatrabaho siya.
Hindi man kalapit
din kayo.
Ako, why not, di ba? Kung if there's an opportunity out there na we get to work together, ako, I'd be really happy to work with her. It just depends on her schedule rin kasi kaka-start niya lang ng med school. So, medyo mahirap na yan. But then, right now, I'm happy na she's taking her own path rin in the medicine field. And here I am in show business. Right? So, we both have our own things going on.
Med school is so demanding. So, parang yung time magiging difficult. Are you ready for the chance?
Ako, feeling ko, syempre, kakayanin kahit ano. The fact na we were able to withstand yung 4 months of no communication, para sa akin, mas mahirap pa nga yun kesa sa LDR. So, I feel like anything, any challenge that comes in our way, kaya namin.
River, I'm curious, does she ever get jealous if you're paired with somebody? Or she understands the game?
I think she understands. She understands the industry, what happens inside the industry. And I think with that, just you need constant reassurance lang, constant communication of what's real and what's not. So, syempre, may times nga na nangyayari yun. So, we just need to be there for each other to tell each other what's real and what's not.
Okay. And how do you feel pag nabubully rin siya on, social media?
Doon medyo ako nagagalit kasi kung sa akin, I can take it. But then when it's other people, especially the ones that I know that are being affected, yun medyo hindi ko masyadong, I don't take it lightly. But then I just keep telling her na to not mind those bullying or those negative comments. They don't know the true story or what's really happening. So, but that's something we can't avoid. There will always be bashing, there will always be negative comments. We can't please everyone. So, at least we're there for each other to support one another throughout those times.
River, wala ba siyang pinagsilosan sa loob ng bahay ni Kuya, yung ka-PBB? Very close ka rin sa mga PBB,
Parang wala naman po. Relasyon ko naman dun sa loob ng bahay ko doon, naging housemates, was really a friendship that I built with each of them. Parang I treated them talaga as my sisters dun sa loob ng bahay. So, I don't think there was a need to be jealous naman. So, pero syempre may mga edits rin na ginagawa ng mga fans. So, I just hope na hindi siya masyadong
Anong comment niya doon sa mga ginagawa ng mga fans ng fan edits?
Hindi ko alam. Hindi ko alam.
Hindi niya napapag-isa?
Minsan nakikita namin, but then parang wala naman siyang comment, wala naman siyang sinasabi.
You're a bad boy in the series, pero in real life, known ka as Mr. Green Flag, good boy. May added pressure ba to behave? Or
Siyempre actors kami, so we really have to play these characters. If it's kontrabida man yun, kung masamang tao man yun, we have the responsibility to be able to show who this character really is. So, para sa akin, sobrang layo ng personality ni Charles from River. So, but then that's our job as an actor to really portray that character.
Thank you, Mr. Golden Retriever.
Hello mga kapamilya, magandang hapon po. Alam natin na masama yung panahon ngayon, pero thank you for making your time to go here. And let's have a good MediaCon.
Thank you, River.
Enjoy tayo tonight.
And Jella Crystal.
Hello po, good evening mga kapamilya. Thank you so much for coming. Po is si JC Lopez. I am the older sister of Jayden Lopez. Funny na, Jella. Yeah. And what can I say about my role? She is a protective older sister. And medyo magulo ang love life niya. Dahil meron siyang affair. Yeah.
Interesting.
Abangan niyo na lang.
Abangan namin yan.
Yes.
Thank you, Jella. Crystal, as Kimberly Tan.
Yes, so...
Hingi ka ng tips sa kabilang side.
When I think about it, now kasi parang malabo. Because if, let's say, the next season, I can't join because I'm currently in med school now. So, I don't really have the time na kailangan for that. Like, being isolated or... Yeah, so right now, no, but in the future, we don't know.
That's right.
I don't know. Maybe, yes.
Si Chris, si Annalyn before I go to Krista.
Hello po. Pwede mo mauna na. Goodbye. Pati mga castmates.
Bunot ka ngayon, Annalyn eh. Oo, bunot ka eh.
But, si Jella na.
Eto na, Jella.
Parang, no.
Yeah! Kinikilig na yung mga nandito sa press area. Jella, go.
Same kami ni Aya na parang leaning more sa mga good boy looking. Or clean. Ay, di naman so dirty looking ang mga boys. Pero like, yung, neat looking pala. Yan. Parang...
Gaya nino?
Yeah! Joke lang.
Soft launch, charot. Next question is for Jello. This is your acting debut. Can you share with us how more acting projects now that you've experienced acting?
Ako po, simula pa lang noong una, isa to sa mga pangarap ko. And if given a chance na magkaroon ulit ako ng project, syempre tatanggapin natin.
Jella, ikaw naman.
Same with Jello, if merong opportunity, then why not? Pero if hindi kaya, hindi naman pipilitin. But yeah, open to opportunities.
Love team.
Ako?
Oo. Hindi. Ako. May nag-react ng facial expression dito sa gilid eh. Okay.
Thanks, guys.
Meron pa second question? Wala na. You're good? Okay. Si Jay of Certified Kapamilya. Jay, are you...
About Charles is his protectiveness over si Candice and his friends. He stands up for anyone that tries to bully them or mess with them. At yung yung gusto kong baguhin siguro kay Charles ay yung palaaway kasi si Charles. So siguro I tell him to tone down and there's no need to fight all the time.
Dito, mas marami bang mga gray pants that you're wearing?
Bad boy nga si Alan.
Bad boy ba yun?
Sinunog ko na po yung gray pants na yun. Kaya naka-black pants na ako. Pero hindi. Less gray pants na po. Mas dark colors po yung...
May nagre-request dito, more daw. Sabi nila.
Ano ka, Alan?
May nagsasabi sa gilid. Yeah, so congratulations.
Ano magpakilig? Paano ba? Siguro depende talaga sa person, pero para sa akin yung love language ko talaga is time and acts of service, and siguro doon na ako nagfo-focus sa pwede kong bigyan sa kanya.
No, River, you're right. Because you cannot say that nakakakilig yung ginawa mo. The only person who will say na nakakakilig yun is the receiver, right? So tama ang question na lang is, ano yung love language mo na para na kinikilig yung receiver? So ano ulit yung love language ni River? Acts of service and?
Acts of service and quality time.
Quality time. So may quality time na ngayon.
Meron naman po.
Yes! Harvey, ikaw, what's your love language?
I would support the 4 Bad Boys and me out on July 31 on ABS-CBN Entertainment YouTube channel.